Hi guys, welcome to my channel Trendy Unboxing. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this Chintoo's tomato soup and I will also give the review about it. If you haven't watched our overview and first impression of Chintoo's tomato soup video, then I have given the link about it in the description box below. You can watch the same. So guys, all the information about the packaging and everything I have given already in that particular video. So now let's remove this wrapper and pour the powder inside the bowl. So guys, this is how the tomato soup powder looks like. As you guys can see, it is having the orange color and I can smell the tomato flavor also from here. So now let's pour hot water inside this tomato soup and try to make this Chintoo's tomato soup. So guys, I have poured around 1 big cup of hot water inside this bowl. After you pour the water, you need to stir the water well because the mixture will then get dissolved quickly. By stirring it continuously, you are going to avoid the lumps that are going to happen inside this soup. This is how the tomato soup looks like. So guys, I am going to stir it for some time. And there we go. Our Chintoo's tomato soup is ready. Now let's see how it looks. I will try to bring my spoon little bit closer to the camera. As you guys can see, the tomato soup is in orange color. Now let me try this and let me give my review about it. Guys, I have tasted this tomato soup and I will definitely say this is one of the best soups that you are going to get in rupees 10 in the market. Also, taste wise, it is really good and it is directly competing with Nor soup. You guys can give it a try and let me know your thoughts and feedback about it in the comment section below. I will surely make time to answer them. Since it is available for just rupees 10, you can easily make it at home, or if you are staying in hostel or when you are traveling outside, you can directly make it using the hot water. So guys, that's all in this video. I hope this video was informational and helpful to you. Please support my channel by clicking the subscribe button down and like and share this video. Thank you.